Assalamu alaikum. Hi friends. Today I'm going to make a very creamy pasta with white sauce and cheese and vegetables. It's going to be really yummy. And this is the pasta I'm using. Penne pasta. You can use any other variety if you have, but I like my white sauce pasta and this kind of pasta to use. You can use the curl one or elbow shape, anyone. So let's start with here I've kept about 6 to 7 cups of water. To this I will mix olive oil, about half a tablespoon, I'm sorry, some salt, about 1 teaspoon. Give it a good boil. After that I'm going to put my pasta in the boiling water. The water is boiling. Put the pasta in. 2 cups of pasta, and we'll cook about 7 to 8 minutes. Follow the instruction what you have on the pasta bag and you should be good, or until it's 80% done. The pasta is 80% cooked. I'm going to drain the water and start the next step. In the pot I have put 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can use, if you don't have olive oil, you can go ahead use any other oil. 1 tablespoon of garlic chopped finely. I love the taste of garlic in my pasta. Half onion cut in cubes. At this point I would like to say you can like I have green bell pepper, red bell pepper, carrots. You can put any other vegetable of your choice like broccoli or corn, sweet corn. The choice is all yours. 1 carrot. It takes a little bit of time for the carrot to get tender, and when it's a little bit tender I'll put the bell peppers. Green bell pepper, half green bell pepper cut in cubes, and red bell pepper. Salt to taste, half teaspoon of black pepper, just a quick stir. We'll have the crunch of the red and green bell pepper. So I'm going to take out the veggies now. So for the cream sauce, white sauce, I'm putting 4 tablespoons of butter. For best results, keep the butter and maida or all-purpose flour equal quantity. Like if I have 4 tablespoons of butter, I'm putting 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour or maida. The flour is cooked and it's giving a very good aroma with the butter. And now I'm going to put in milk very slowly, about 2 cups of milk. And we have to keep stirring continuously, otherwise it's going to make lump. Continuously keep stirring. It's starting to thicken. To this I'll put salt to taste, half teaspoon of black pepper, half teaspoon of red chili flakes, half teaspoon of Italian seasoning. To check if the sauce is ready, if it gets coated at the back, like if you do this, I don't have a proper spoon, so this like this. So this is ready, and I'm going to put my pasta. The pasta has been well coated. Wow. And I'll put some cheese. About 4 tablespoons of cheese, grated cheese we are using. Some I'll put it for the end. And vegetables. It smells like an Italian restaurant, to be honest. Look at this creamy. If you at any point feel that it is getting dry, you can put a little bit of milk, but this is so good. I'll put a little bit of more chili flakes just for the look, and I'll dish it out. You can garnish with a few chili flakes. Look at that, looks so good. I'm going to try some. Thank you for watching the pasta recipe. Please try and comment how it turned out. It's going to be excellent. And like, share, subscribe. It means a lot for me. Thank you.